Hi, in this video we will learn how to install Windows 11 and what are the new features. So according to Microsoft, this is just the start and they will officially launch it on 24th of June. So we will have to wait for that, but let's see what are the new features. So let's get started. And the installation process is very simple, just like Windows 10. You just need to select your language and then just click on install now and the setup will start. Now here you can put the activation key. If you don't have, then you can skip this and choose the version that's suitable for your PC and just click on next and just accept this and again click next and custom install to a partition, and this will start installing the Windows. And this is the starter screen, as you can see, a little different from that. And here you can choose your language. And here choose the keyboard layout, which is the US. And now here you can choose the first or the second option. As you can see, set up for personal use or for work. And just write your Microsoft account, or you can skip this. Now here you can write your name and click next. And now scroll down and you can enable or disable these options if you want, and then click on accept. And that's it. And now this will take a few minutes. Then this is the desktop. As you can see, we have the start menu in the middle. Obviously we can change the system settings. So for example, I want to change the resolution. So the wallpaper is very cool. As you can see, we have the start in the middle, just like the Mac OS. Now we have the file explorer as well, and we can drag things and we can change the position if you want. And if I search for the Windows, then as you can see, this is the Windows 11 and the settings is almost the same as the Windows 10. You may also notice the animation. So if I maximize or minimize any section, then as you can see, we are seeing these zoom type of animations. Also, if I open a new section, then it zoom out, and you will notice these type of animations everywhere in Windows 11. And another cool feature here is the multiple windows option. So as in Windows 10, we can open up different screens. So here the layout is different. We can open up 2, 3 or 4 screens at a time, and we can choose the layout as well. We also got some updates which we will update later on. Now let's open up control panel. And almost all the options are just like Windows 10. As you can see, the power option, the mouse, and so on. Let's open up the file explorer, and as you can see, we got the different icons over here, which is completely different in the new version of Windows 11. If I go to this PC, then again we have the top icons different. Let's open this and we have the folder look different as well. There is some padding and spacing between the folders, which looks very awesome. Let's open up the disk management. So here we can create or delete partitions. So obviously you can do these, and the Windows installation as well. And the most important one is in the start menu, we don't have the tiles, which according to me was not that much useful. We have these icons and the start menu is in the center, and obviously we can align this to the left side as well. We have the snip and sketch tool just like Windows 10. Now let's close this and open up Paint, for example. And here you can write, obviously you can draw and write anything you want. So this is also the same. We have this hover effects on the buttons, as you can notice, the shadow as well. And we also have the hover picked on the icons over the taskbar. As you can notice, if I hover over here, then this will blink. And here we have this widget, so you can use any type of widgets here, for example weather and so on. Now let's open up Xbox. So this looks identical to Windows 10 as well. Here you can browse games and you can stream online and so on. And another cool thing I noticed is in the command prompt. So if I open this, then as you can see, we can open up multiple tabs and CMD as well, which is also a new features that is included in Windows 11. And this is how the taskbar look like. Obviously this is identical to Windows 10. And this is the memory performance and the processor performance. So we cannot judge this for now because this is a very starter version of Windows 11. And this is the browser score. This is the Microsoft Edge, and that is also included in Windows 11. We can open up the Outlook as well. And you will notice a rounded border everywhere. As you can see, we have the shadows and the rounded corners on each of the app that I open. So this is also really cool in look. And all in all, Windows 11 is very lightweight for now, and we don't have many options in the right click. As you can see, we also have the rounded corners in the start menu, as you can see. And if I go to personalize, then we can do any type of personalization over here. Just like Windows 10, we don't have the tiles. And so those were some cool features of Windows 11. And again, as I said, this is the very starter version of Windows 11. There is more to come on 24th, and we just need to wait for that. So that was it for this video. Hope you will have saw something new in this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.